Samarambam Nityanandeshwari Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. I welcome you all with my love and respects. इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ. Today's subject for Nitya Satsang: mysticism can be mastered by the four tattvas. Mastering the mysticism zone by four tattvas. Listen. Human mind cannot trust anything, cannot live anything unless it sees the direct result beyond their logic. ध्यान से सुनिए. Human mind cannot trust anything, cannot live anything unless it sees the result beyond their logic and extraordinary. Four tattvas. How they help you to master the zone of mysticism and mystery. Today I'll expand on that. Please listen. Please come to the space of listening. Whenever you feel powerless, some conflict, contradiction, cornered, confronted, the anger, the energy gushes. Just take responsibility for it. It will simply become the energy of healing. It can become the energy through which you can command the world. I tell you, if you take the responsibility for the gushing energy when you are confronted, it will not increase the pressure of your heart, it will increase the pressure of every heart, and they will be in tune with you. If your blood pressure increases, it is not going to make others' blood pressure increase. Listen. Listen. The words you think whole day, the words you think, if you bring integrity to it, you will be master of words. Vak Siddhi does not mean making your words into reality alone. No. You will know what word the other guy is going to utter towards you at this moment. What will be the right word you can utter and move him as you want at this moment. All this put together is Vak Siddhi. The right word which you will utter, which will move the other person, the right word he will utter, or the knowledge about the word he is going to utter, and even telepathy. Just you can utter certain words, remembering somebody, you will see that person receives those words and responds to it. All this put together is Vak Siddhi. Please understand, I am talking very responsibly. Very responsibly. I know I am talking in a national channel. That is why I am talking very responsibly. I am not promoting any superstition. Align yourself, bring yourself to integrity, you will see whole day the power of words. The words you utter, the words uttered towards you, and the words you want to utter, everything is thoroughly under your control. And how the words you utter becomes reality, ध्यान से सुनिए। आज हम इन 4 तत्वों के आधार पर रहस्य में शास्त्रों का अध्ययन कैसे कर सकते हैं, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। जब भी आप शक्तिहीनता और संघर्ष का अनुभव करते हैं, आपके अंदर जब क्रोध उभर आता है, केवल उसका उत्तरदायित्व लेने से आप उसी क्रोध को सृजनात्मक शक्ति में परिवर्तित कर सकते हैं। वाक सिद्धि का अर्थ केवल आपके बोले हुए शब्द को वास्तविकता में परिवर्तित करना ही नहीं, बल्कि जो शब्द आपके सामने उपस्थित व्यक्ति बात करने वाला है, उस शब्द को उसके बोलने से पहले ही सुन लेना, वो भी वाक सिद्धि है। The words you utter towards you, the words you utter towards others, their power and the impact of your words on others, whole thing will be in your control. That is what I call Vak Siddhi. And I tell you, it is simply impossible. Simply it is possible. It is simply possible by practicing integrity. Integrity means, listen, integrity means the word you give for yourself and others should be honored as your life. Honoring the word you give it to you and to others as life. If you start living this principle, please understand, there are millions of concepts, millions of words, so much knowledge, tons and tons and tons of knowledge. But unless it becomes experience, what is the use? There is no use of knowledge unless it becomes experience. जो शब्द आप आपके अंदर उपयोग करते हैं और जो शब्द आप अपना बाहर बोलते हैं, वो सभी शब्द आपके नियंत्रण में रहना वाक सिद्धि है। वही संपूर्ति का स्थिति है। जो शब्द आप स्वयं को और अन्य लोगों को देता है, आपके देते हैं, आपके जीवन समाधान उनका समान, उनका आदर करके उन्हें निभाना संपूर्ति है, संपूर्ति है। आप स्वयं को और अन्य लोगों को देते हैं, आपके जीवन समान उनका आदर करके उन्हें निभाना संपूर्ति है। आपके जीवन में ज्ञान बहुत हो सकता है, किंतु जब तक वो ज्ञान आपका अनुभव नहीं होता है, उस ज्ञान का कोई उपयोग नहीं है। When you bring integrity as part of your life, when you bring integrity in your thinking, you will have so much of inner space, powerfulness, clarity, strength. The words you utter towards others will be in your control. The words others utter towards you will be under your control. The impact you create through your words on others and the world will be under your control. The impact others' words creates on you will be under your control. When you bring authenticity to your thinking, please understand, bringing authenticity into your thinking and your action not just brings the result how much you expand. It's like there is a water canal. You remove only 2 feet mud which is covering the canal. Are you going to get water only for 2 feet land? The mud which is obstructing the canal, see there is a water canal, 2 feet high bund is there, mud which is obstructing the water flowing in that canal. If you remove the 2 feet mud, are you going to get water only for the 2 feet land? No. It is going to be flooded into 200 acres. Same way, when you practice authenticity, for example, morning you do 24 Surya Namaskar. You decide to bring authenticity in your action. Make it as 54. Don't think you are going to have the benefit of only that extra 29 Surya Namaskar. No. Your whole body is going to respond to your authenticity. You are going to have hundreds of many other extraordinary powers by that authentic decision. Don't think, if I do 24 Surya Namaskar, I'll build 16-inch muscle. If I do 54 Surya Namaskar, I'll build 17-inch muscle. No! Authenticity does not bring results in proportionate level. It brings results in exponential level. That is what you need to learn, because inauthenticity is not functioning based on mathematics. Inauthenticity is a black cage. There is a water canal. The entrance of the water canal is 2 feet wide, and the 2 feet wide is covered by 2 feet height mud. If you remove the 2 feet wide mud, you may remove 2 cubic feet mud. Removing the 2 cubic feet mud is not going to help only to reach water to 2 cubic feet. You can't say, all right, I removed 2 cubic feet mud, so now water will come for 2 cubic feet. No. It is going to reach to 200 acres. Because inauthenticity works as a black cage. It does not function in mathematics logic. The logic of maths. So when you become authentic, the result is not mathematical. It is exponential. It is not proportionate. It is exponential. ध्यान से सुनिए, जब आप अपने जीवन में संपूर्ति लाते हैं और अपने सोच विचार में संपूर्ति लाते हैं, आपके अंतर चिताकाश में इतनी शक्ति और स्पष्टता विकसित होगा कि आप स्वयं के ही नहीं बल्कि दूसरों के बोले हुए शब्द पर भी नियंत्रण पाने का शक्ति अनुभव करेंगे. All your inauthenticity is a small black cage. If you make your Surya Namaskar from 24 to 54, you are not going to have the benefit of just extra 29 Surya Namaskar. No, Your body will enter into a different space. Whole day you will be in that authenticity. In every step you are doing, you will be in that authenticity. Every action you take, every thinking happens in you, every step of your life, you will be in that authenticity. The power of authenticity brings unknown energies awakened in you, capabilities awakened in you. Authenticity straight away brings strength in your presence. Nobody will even plan for cheating you. I go around everywhere wearing so much of gold. Not a single thief thinks of stealing from me, because he knows it will be too costly mistake. Even 2-gram chain, 3-gram chain, people snatch. And it's not that I don't walk alone. Many times I walk alone. In the streets, even if you walk as 10 people, few gram chains, people snatch. There are chain snatchers. Not a single thief even thinks, because he knows it will be too costly mistake. Same way, your presence will be so heavy when you practice authenticity. No one will think of taking advantage of you. They know it is too costly mistake. It will be too costly mistake. Authenticity brings strength to your presence. श्रद्धा का आप जब अभ्यास करते हैं, उसका फल आपके परिश्रम से कई गुना अधिक होता है। जब एक नाला मिट्टी से बंद है, वो मिट्टी जब आप बाहर निकलते हैं, केवल उतना ही पानी नहीं बहता है, बल्कि पानी एक सैलाब की तरह बहने लगता है। यदि आप सवेरे सूर्य नमस्कार करते समय आप श्रद्धा लाने का निर्णय लेते हैं, ये ना सोचिए कि केवल उस समय आपके शरीर का विकास होता है। पूरे दिन आप श्रद्धा की शक्ति का अनुभव करेंगे। अश्रद्धा को आपके जीवन से हटाइए। श्रद्धा सीधे रूप से आपकी उपस्थिति में ही शक्ति का अनुभव होगा। जब आप अपने सोच विचार में श्रद्धा लाते हैं, तब परिणाम केवल तार्किक रूप से वृद्धि नहीं करेगा, बल्कि एक विस्फोटक रूप से वृद्धि करेगा। Understand? Catch the truth. Authenticity brings strength to your presence. When you practice authenticity, just by your presence you will enrich people. Anything you say simply will become part of the people's space. Their inner space will not even have a guts to say no. They will simply forget no in your presence. सुनिए, ध्यान से सुनिए. When you take responsibility, even the unknown forces of life simply supports you and responds to you, stands by you. जब आप श्रद्धा का अभ्यास करते हैं, केवल आपके उपस्थिति से आप अन्य लोगों को लाभान्वित करेंगे, तब आप जो भी बात करेंगे वह सरलता से वास्तविकता में परिवर्तित हो जाएगा, दूसरों के अंतर आकाश में से नकारात्मकता यो ही मिट जाएगा। लिसन, श्रद्धा में वह शक्ति है कि प्रकृति के अनदेखे क्षतियों पर भी आप विजय पा सकते हैं। When you carry the space of responsibility, anywhere you go, anything you do, society just knows. Anywhere you go, anything you do, society just knows. They have to listen to you. People have to listen to you. Understand? Integrity, authenticity, responsibility. These three brings strength to your very presence. When you start enriching people, don't think they will be enriched only with the truths you are enriching them. No. With the idea of enriching them with the knowledge, if you enrich them, they will be enriched even by food, clothes, shelter. They will have many things than what you want to give them. When you enrich them with these 4 tattvas, they will have many things which you never thought you are going to give them. They will have life which you never thought you are going to be giving them. जब आप उत्तरदायित्व के अनंत स्थिति के साथ चलते हैं, आप चाहे जहां भी जो चाहे कुछ भी आप करे, आपके आसपास लोगों को आसानी से पाता होता है कि उनको आपकी बात सुननी होगी। संपूर्ति, श्रद्धा, उत्तरदायित्व, इन तत्वों द्वारा आपकी उपस्थिति में ही एक असाधारण शक्ति आ जाती है। I tell you, anything can be postponed in the life, not learning these 4 principles. This has to be done immediately because it is like a owner's manual. First read how to operate the car, then start. First learn driving, then start driving. You can't say, just today I got the car, I'll drive, later on I'll learn driving. No, learning driving cannot be postponed. Learning life cannot be postponed. You are already in life. जीवन में आप कुछ भी टाल सकते हैं, किंतु इन 4 तत्वों का अध्ययन नहीं। Listen continuously, enriching the beings, continuously adding value to the people. You do not know how much you will get it back. क्या आप कह सकते हैं कि मैंने अभी गाड़ी खरीदी है, केवल आज के दिन में अपनी नई गाड़ी चलना चाहता हूँ, कल से मैं गाड़ी चलाना सीखूंगा नहीं। पहले आपको गाड़ी चलाना सीखना होगा, उसके बाद ही आप वो गाड़ी चला सकते हैं। लगातार अन्य लोगों को लाभान्वित करने से और अन्य लोगों को विस्तारण करने से आप स्वयं लाभान्वित और विस्तारित होते हैं। You may think of enriching somebody with 4 tattvas and enrich the person, but suddenly you will see, when the person is awakened to these 4 principles, not only he will have knowledge, he will have wealth, relationships, and he will be so grateful towards you. He will be enriching you back. What you give comes back. What you give comes back. If you train others, you are trained. If you enrich others, you are enriched. I see this in my life. After I started training people, I have become more trained. And my training continues. I am continuously getting more and more trained. It is so beautiful. So I tell you, आप अन्य व्यक्ति को इन 4 तत्वों से जब लाभान्वित करते हैं, आप देखेंगे कि वह व्यक्ति केवल ज्ञानी ही नहीं बनता है, बल्कि उसके जीवन में कई और पहलू जैसे धन संपत्ति और संबंध भी विकसित होते हैं। जब आप अन्य लोगों को ज्ञान प्रदान करते हैं, आप स्वयं ज्ञानी बन जाते हैं। Share the knowledge, you will see. Enrich people with knowledge, you will see you are enriched so much. When you start living, only then you will understand how you master different mysteries of life. How you just know how you can master the mysteries of life. लोगों को ज्ञान से लाभान्वित कीजिए, आप देखेंगे आप स्वयं ज्ञान से बहुत लाभान्वित हो जाते हैं। लिसन, लोगों को ध्यान से सुनिए, लोगों को ज्ञान से लाभान्वित कीजिए, आप देखेंगे आप स्वयं ज्ञान से बहुत लाभान्वित हो जाते हैं। जब आप 4 तत्वों से जीना आरंभ करते हैं, आप देखेंगे कि कैसे आप जीवन के रहस्य में सत्य सीख लेते हैं। द एसेंस ऑफ टुडेज सत्संग, डू नॉट गिव अप ऑन यू, कंटिन्यू टू align yourself to the highest frequency of 4 tattvas, not in a low integrity, low authenticity, no. Stretch your very biomemory to these 4 tattvas. Stretch, stretch. You will see. You master the mystery. You master the mystery. आज की सत्संग का सारांश है, इन 4 तत्वों को लगातार अभ्यास कीजिए और जीवन में उपलब्ध रहस्य में शास्त्रों का अनुभव कीजिए। अपने आप को 4 तत्वों के उच्चतम स्तर के साथ संरेखित कीजिए। Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/lifeblissfoundation.